Today I'm gonna make a baked salmon here. So these are the ingredients. Salmon, of course, main ingredients: onions, tomatoes. I add cherry tomatoes because we have a lot of cherry tomatoes, mushroom, and okra. And also I marinate for like an hour or 30 minutes in a salt and black pepper, and I add oregano. And now we're gonna use virgin olive oil.
And then eventually, yeah.
So just a little bit, guys, of virgin olive oil. It's just to kick the taste. And the temperature is 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And of course, this is Saladmaster 12-inch EOC electric oil skillet. Close the lid and then just wait 10 to 12 minutes and it's gonna be cooked. We have our baked salmon with different veggies. Cook in Saladmaster, you don't have to open it and always check that. No, you just have to wait when it's clicking for few times or many times this bippo bulb, it means it's cooked already. So let's timer it for 12 minutes. Or maybe it's make us 15 minutes to make sure that it's really well done, because I like salmon well done cooking. So yeah. So now the baked salmon is automatically turned off after 15 minutes. Let's check it out. There you go. Wow, nice. It's cooked. And guys, I add also a bean sprout because my bean sprout I couldn't eat already because it's long. Tumubo siya ng pagkahaba-haba, so I cannot eat anymore. So I feel it's grass, so I add here. So there you go. We have nice and yummy-licious baked salmon with vegetables. Let's try it. How is the taste? My God. It's so good. The kick of lime. It's so good. It's so delicious. Wow. And it's very healthy dinner. So guys, let's eat. Yeah. Look at, guys, how huge my striped zucchini. Look at that. It's jumbo size. See? It's huge. Jumbo. My striped zucchini. So this is my striped zucchini. This is from one zucchini only, these 3 big zucchini, and this one is the zucchini that they're ramaging, and this one also zucchini that they're ramaging almost dead the zucchini plant. So I have to get it because tomorrow we're going away. And look at my squash. It looks like watermelon or muskmelon, so I don't know what's gonna be inside. And also I got 3 big tomatoes and the cherry tomatoes. My cherry tomatoes, every 2 days I harvest. So here are my harvest for August 26, 25th. Today, Tuesday. So tomorrow it's our traveling time again, going far. It's gonna be 2 connecting flight.